guys, we just got. You get. Oh, hey guys, what do you guys do? This is gonna be a travel fishing vlog. We're in Cherrysville, Virginia, and I pray to God that we don't get blown away and that things stop moving in camera. We're like that, yeah. But there is crazy storms right now. We were gonna go out fishing and crabbing and whatnot, have a lot of fun eating crab, but stuff got crazy. Like tents are flying around like campground. Like
a tent landed on top of a camper.
Just because it's not going to be just fishing doesn't mean you guys need to sign out now. Keep watching.
We're still going to have fun.
Yeah, we're going to give you guys the juiciest content we can get with this campground, okay? I promise you that, okay? And we'll try and catch some fish and some crabs. There will be catching boats. There might be a charter boat on Monday or tomorrow.
Depending if there's a tornado or not. It's Friday.
There might be a charter boat tomorrow where we go out fishing on Chesapeake Bay, which is lit, but it might go be on Monday because, pray to God, I just got to drop my phone. Point exactly. Yeah, we're bored and it's 2 in the morning. Okay, well, we are getting ready to go crabbing.
I think it's your first time, right?
Yeah, it's my first time.
I've done it before.
We, the rain finally stopped. The rain finally stopped, and there's a little bit of fishing.
Yeah, there's been a lot of rain.
A lot of rain. I caught like a 5-pound skate and a little stingray thing and some croaker. But yeah, we're gonna go do some crabbing with you guys. I think we're getting ready to go ahead and start crabbing. This is basically what the crab net looks like. We got some turkey necks right here.
Yeah. Wait.
necks.
Where's the lens? Hold on, we gotta get a.
And then, so basically what happens is you drop it onto the C4, it'll fold, here, I'll do it on the ground, and it'll open up like that, and then all the crabs come in. They have a nice crabby
pull it up.
and you pull it up and they get stuck, and then we eat the crab. We feast on the crabs.
Yes. But the crabs don't have much meat, so.
Yeah, but so basically the rig I'm using is the same thing, but I'm going to be tying down some fresh chicken necks. Same thing with Jacob. Yep, we're going to get ready.
I got a fat chicken neck.
People are over there rigging up rods.
Chicken neck.
ID, please.
Okay, guys, we just got.
Can I see how much I got?
Hope you guys enjoyed a little session of what it looks like what we look like off camera. There's Jacob, nice cool hat. Michael, Fisher614, and Dane, the person who helped me start this. So in this session of the vlog, we are going to end up just going now to Cape Charles because it's still awful weather out here, and
Actually cold. Like it's in the middle of summer.
It's middle of the summer right now. And now we're gonna be going into town, and yeah.
Oh, I'm coming off music.
Okay, we just made it to. Where are we?
We're having so much fun.
Where are we?
Cape Charles.
Yeah, we're in Cape Charles, and
It's such a great day here. Look at
it is beautiful days. If you can't tell, it is raining hard, like it has been the weekend.
Actually, the second we got out of the car, it started pouring.
Yeah, it started pouring a second. They obviously don't like this here. But we're gonna go ahead and walk over to the ice cream shop, and then eat some ice cream, and then maybe go over to the bait and tackle shop over there, and go from there. But like literally lightning just flashed right over there. So
And
there's thunder, so it's close. So we're probably gonna hide out in the ice cream place, see if it's good or not. I'll tell you guys.
Was right.
And yeah, weatherman was right for once. Right for once. Bye. We're looking for the ice cream shop right now.
Cape Charles is actually pretty cool. I recommend coming if you're in the area.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. Fishing's not bad. It's stingray season, so it's not really that fun. And the little tournament we entered into, stingrays are not counted, so
Yeah. Let you guys know when we get there. What did you get?
A banana pudding with whipped cream.
What did you get?
Cookies and cream.
What did you get, Michael?
Is the finger in the way? No. Okay, ask again.
Your face was though.
Are you gonna ask?
What
Are you
did
gonna
you
ask?
get for ice cream?
Banana pudding in a small cup with whipped cream. Yeah. Okay. I think this explains why the line is so long for this place. Let's try it out. Wooden spoon. I don't like people do that. It's alright. It's like banana pudding,
And it's really good too.
how's the whipped cream?
Fluffy?
Fluffy. Okay. How is your ice cream?
I haven't had it yet,
You
but
haven't had it yet?
the presentation's nice.
what
The
type did you
portion's
get?
good. So this is turtle tracks.
Okay.
Scoops of turtle tracks. This gets chocolate, nuts. All right, first try. Turtle scoops. It's delicious. It's very creamy.
Nice. I'm getting the same thing that Dane's getting.
Not too rich.
That's good.
Check what you having.
I got cookies and cream, but I didn't want to get it, but my mom got it, so she's letting me have it. So,
Is it good?
yeah.
What do you think, Michael?
I don't know. I haven't tasted it yet. It's the banana pudding with ice cream.
With ice cream.
Banana pudding with whipped cream.
It's very good.
Oh my god. Banana pudding! You get.
Cookies and cream.
Is it good?
I so much.
Jonathan.
Have a good day. Thank
Johnny. Johnny. What did you get? Chocolate? Is it good?
you. That's talent.
What did you get? Yeah. Yeah. What did you get? Coffee? Is it good? You want me to restart that?
No, I'm still thinking.
Oh.
You know? I think it's good.
You think it's good? Does it taste like ice cream?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Okay. All in all, how would you rate this place?
7 out of 10. It's pretty good.
8.5.
John, how is this? So we decided to stop around walking because it's pouring outside and get something to eat. We only have $10, which is not going to get us very far. But it's going to get us a plain small pizza.
We're at Dead Rice Pizza. It looks pretty cool. We were walking outside and then a cat just appears and then it disappeared and then it appeared again. It's a magical cat.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll let you know what we get. We're getting the most basic thing on the item. On
So
the
we don't
menu.
spend all of our money.
Yeah. But after that, we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna go to a taco store and spend my $20. Yep.
It's cold and windy and horrible, but that's all right. We're inside now and we get to eat. So I'm
And
happy.
tomorrow we might be able to go crabbing or later tonight or something. Hi. Just ordered.
Nothing.
I'm not gonna eat. I'm good. We just
I didn't
ordered.
look at myself. I have $10.
Yeah, I know. So we got
Look
the
at
small
these straws.
cheese
They're so
pizza.
tiny.
Yeah. We got the small cheese pizza because it's as far as our $10 at Senkos. So. Yeah.
Oh, dude, the breadsticks look so good.
I know we could have gotten it for $7.
Get it. Get it.
No, I'm not spending my money. Okay, yeah.
Look at them. They're still.
Pizzas just came and we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Dayton, well, since you're paying for it, I'm not paying a dime. You try it out first.
Get that up close. It's too hot. It's really hot.
Way too loud. You said that way too loud. Yeah, is it good?
It's really good. Tastes high quality.
I would hope so.
Tastes like a margarita.
I don't know, let me try it out.
Take a slice. These Parmesan cheese sticks. The crust is crispy.
We'll go ahead and try now. thank you to the cup for holding my phone right now.
Yeah, I think it's the cheese.
You always gotta bend your pizza like that.
There's your ranch. It has almost a. That's good. That's good.
What would you rate it?
8 out of 10.
9 out of 10, that's really good. Okay, on to the next place. Walking around more in the rain. Let me like
Look at the puddle. That's like at least a
step in
foot
it, Dan. You're barefoot.
I have goosebumps. It's freezing.
Ah! I stepped in it.
It's the summer.
Yeah,
Goosebumps.
after walking around, we're gonna go back and eat again. It's at least 50 degrees.
Maybe probably.
Oh my god, the wind is crazy though. And it's freezing and
I've got 3 crabs.
it's rainy. And yeah, bye. Let me see you! No! Let me see you! Third crab of the day.
Hurricane Dane. He is awful. We are here in Cape Charles where the wind speeds are 40 miles an hour and the rain is awful. It is kicking in. We are drenched and our news anchor and our cameraman is very, very, very naughty. Michael Harris. Okay, daily joke of the day. What does the ocean say to the sand when we're reading them? It's waving. Yes!
This is a lot of fun, as you can see. And just to remind y'all, this is in the middle of summer.
Yes, it's literally, like, what month is it?
I don't even know.
Yeah, this feels like December.
I think it's like what?
It's 41 with that wind chill. And we're wearing shorts because it was supposed to be 91.
It's cold.
Look, they're wearing ponchos for it.
Stop raining.
Yeah, it has
Fun fact. It stop raining here.
It has rained non-stop. Like, it rained so much last night that half of the pier is covered in It does feel like it's scouting. And all we're catching are stingrays and itty-bitty crabs. Jacob caught a pregnant crab, but we had to release it. Because he's pregnant. Awesome! Woo! There's a $31 million mansion over there. Zoom in. $31 million over there. Okay, we're gonna go crabbing.
Excruciating.
In the middle of June, or May, or whatever month it is. It's raining and pouring and it feels like it's December. But I probably look like a retard. So I am going to go to the store with Jane, warm up, go crabbing, eat breakfast, go crabbing. I want to go back into town. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I want to go crabbing, catch some crabs. Don't know if that's gonna happen. Basically, this trip in a nutshell, everything that could go wrong went wrong. So, yeah. We lost Chappie, and there's a manhunt all over the campground to find her. Dane and Matthew are a group, Jacob and the dads are a group, me and Bella are a group. We're gonna go check the general store right now. She was paddle boating with us and now we can't find her. Are they here? You're fine, you don't need a mask. You don't need a mask, you're good. Chappie! Yeah. Let's check the back real quick. No, she's not. Okay, let's go. Next spot. Yeah. Excuse us.
That's how we really gonna see.
Chappie! Oh my god, traffic jam. Hey, let's go to the jumping pillows. She's not over here. Chappie! Oh, watch out. Watch out. Excuse us. Woo, parade! Hey, let's go check the beach. Excuse us. Hey, Belle, before we do that, let's check the carts. What? You see her?
Those are balloon rounds. Alright, kiwi, green.
Last day in Cherrystone. We have about an hour left until we leave. The sun finally came out, and it feels like it's like about 90 degrees out. So it's horribly hot, but it's better than horribly cold. So I'll give it that. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get in the pool. Chill for a little bit. We did some fishing off of a charter boat, yeah. This morning, and that video will be up in a week. Someone ended up stealing my rod while I was gone, so that sucks. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get in the pool for a little bit, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. That's the end of the camping trip. It's Monday, and we all have long drives to get home. We gotta finish packing up our campers, and overall we had a lot of fun. Rain kind of bums out most of the trip, but yeah, it was a lot of fun.
It's not Lakewood or anything, but it's still a really nice campground.
Yeah, it's not too fancy, but it's not like
It's very laid back and chill. That's why I like
yeah,
it.
it's not. You don't have people zooming by on golf carts all the time. You don't have
That page.
It was nice. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll have another video coming out at the end of this week, depending on when I finish editing this. I'm gonna try and do a lot of it in the car, but yeah, I'm gonna do that and then have a video for you next week. and hope you guys enjoy. So, see you guys. If you like roller coasters, go subscribe to Dan on Feels United. Wanted me to say that.